We love you, Detroit, one of our new favorite cities with the right amount of everything. And check out our digs at the Executive Downtown Retreat. We just beat the rain, but that's okay. It's still a beautiful Detroit. I'm going to take this time to kind of look around the place to see what we got going on. We got a 2-bed, 2-bath condo with washer dryer. Both bedrooms are king, and one of the bedrooms has an ensuite. And he gonna make sure I got a kitchen like I'm gonna be cooking on the weekend. Come on, but doesn't it have everything? I'm gonna put on a pot of tea and look at all of your utensils. You've got everything you need in this massive living room. And window seating for this. The sun came out. That didn't take too long. Look at this. This was an old bank building, and you're in the heart of downtown. You can feel the city. You can see all the people milling about. It is just a beautiful sight. You can book a weekend or extended stay.